In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use and integrate Trello with HubSpot. We'll connect Trello to HubSpot through the App Marketplace so you can streamline project follow-up from your CRM. Before you begin, make sure you're signed into HubSpot with permissions to install apps and keep your Trello login handy. If your organization uses single sign-on or strict pop-up settings, it helps to have those squared away too. Start in your HubSpot dashboard and look for the Marketplace icon in the main navigation. It usually looks like a small store or grid. Click that icon to open HubSpot's app options. From the menu that appears, choose the App Marketplace. This is the catalog where official integrations live, and it's the fastest way to find trusted apps that work with your portal. Once the Marketplace opens, go straight to the search bar at the top and type Trello. Spelling matters here, so keep it simple. Trello. You should see the Trello integration appear in the results. If you're in a large account, you might see several related listings. Look for the official Trello integration and open it. On the Trello listing page, take a moment to review the overview, key features, and the permissions the app will request. This page also outlines what data can move between HubSpot and Trello and any usage notes from the provider. If you manage multiple HubSpot accounts, double check you're in the right one before you proceed. When you're ready, click Install. HubSpot may prompt you to grant access, and in some cases will open a secure window asking you to sign into Trello to authorize the connection. If your browser blocks pop-ups, allow them temporarily so that the authorization window can appear. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the connection. You might be asked which Trello workspace to connect, depending on your setup. After a brief moment, HubSpot will confirm that the installation is complete. You can always review or manage the integration later by visiting your HubSpot settings and opening the section for connected apps. That's also where you can adjust permissions or disconnect if needed. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If you don't see the Marketplace icon, you may need an admin to grant you installation rights. If the search yields no results, confirm you're in the App Marketplace, not the Asset Marketplace. And if authorization stalls, try signing into Trello in another tab before you click Install again. That's it. Your Trello integration is now set up in HubSpot, ready to help you turn CRM activity into organized Trello work.